The crops grown are wheat, rice, sugarcane and jute. Hindi, Urdu and Maithili are the languages spoken here. Eid, Dashera and Diwali are the festivals celebrated here. Chhath is an important traditional festival. Nalanda and Bodh Gaya are important cities here. Madhubani painting is a famous artwork from Bihar. Jharkhand. This is one of the newly formed states. Ranchi is the capital of the state. The land is rich in minerals like coal, iron and aluminium. The largest steel plant of India is located here. West Bengal. West Bengal is located to the east of Bihar. Capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. Agriculture, fishing, chemical and electronics are some of the industries prominent here. Rice and fish are staple food. Sweets of Bengal like Rasagolla and Sandesh are popular all over India. People here speak Bengali. The most important festival of Bengalis is Durga Puja. Fact. Most of big cities are located in northern plains and are densely populated. Assam. It is one of the northeastern states. Capital of Assam is Dispur. People here speak Assamese, Bodo and Bengali. The main festival here is Bihu. The Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary is located here. Important industries are agriculture, tea production, sericulture and petroleum refinery. Let us recall, the Great Plains of northern India lies to the south of the Himalayas. The Great Northern Plains consist of the Sutlej Basin, the Ganga Basin in the center, and the Brahmaputra Basin. The Northern Plains stretches through the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Assam. The rivers in the plains make the land fertile. This region is densely populated and agriculture is the main occupation here.
Listen students, now you take your book and take your pencil and eraser also. Listen student, choose the correct answer. Page number, see book page number 263. Okay, first choose the correct answer. The river that does not flow in the northern plains is Ganga, Sutlej, Brahmaputra, Narmada. What is the answer? Narmada. So first one D answer. Second one, Bakranangal Dam is built across the river. Sutlej, Ganga, Komti, Brahmaputra. What is the answer? Sutlej. So second one A option correct. Okay. Third question. Assam is in the dash. Assam is in the dash. Sutlej Basin, Ganga Basin, Brahmaputra Basin, Indus Basin. What is the correct answer? C answer is correct. Brahmaputra Basin. So C option is correct. Fourth one. Sundarban is the largest dash. Delta, basin, tributary. What is the answer? Delta. Fourth one D. Fifth one. Bihu is the festival celebrated in dash. Bihar, Punjab, Haryana, Assam. What is the answer? Assam. What is the answer, ma'am? Assam. So D answer is correct. See next B. Match the following. First one. Amitaras. What is the answer, ma? Golden temple. Golden temple. Second one. Allahabad, Ganga, Allahabad, Ganga. Third one, Ranchi, Jharkhand, Jharkhand. Fourth one, Nalanda. Same. Fifth one, Chandigarh, Haryana. So fourth one answer, Nalanda, Bihar. Nalanda is located in Bihar. Fourth one, Bihar. Fifth one, Chandigarh, Haryana. Next, true or false ma? See, first one, see, the silt that the rivers bring with them is called alluvium. This is the correct answer. So you write true answer. Chot is the traditional festival of Haryana. False. Third one, because Haryana famous festival, what ma? Haryana famous festival? Haryana famous festival. Haryanvi and Hindi da. So it is a wrong answer chart. So this answer false. Third one, Bodh Gaya is in Uttar Pradesh. Wrong answer. Bodh Gaya is in which state ma? Bihar. So Bodh Gaya, Nalanda are important cities no Bihar. So here Uttar Pradesh given. So it is a wrong answer, right? False. Third one, false. Fourth one, Durga Puja is celebrated in Punjab. It's not a correct answer, very wrong answer. Because Durga Puja is celebrated in West Bengal, no. So fourth one, false. Fifth one, Bhangra is the folk dance of Assam. Bhangra is the famous dance in Punjab. So it is a wrong answer. So right, false answer. Okay, you will understand students? Okay, now shall we see the activity 1? Say students, Amritsar. What is the answer? First one, Golden Temple. Second one, Allahabad. Allahabad, what is the answer? Ganga. Ranchi. Third one, Jharkhand. Fourth one, Nalanda. Nalanda answer fourth one nama Bihar. Chandigarh, Haryana.
Excellent.
Next activity 2.
Choose the correct
answer. First one, the river that does not flow in the northern plain is, what is the answer ma? See, what is the correct answer? Narmada.
Excellent.
Second one, see, Bakranangal Dam is built across the river. Okay, what is the correct answer? Sutlej.
Excellent.
Third one, Assam is in the dash. Brahmaputra basin.
Excellent.
Fourth one, Sundarban is the largest dash. Delta.
Excellent.
Bihu is a festival celebrated in Assam.
Excellent.
Okay, next, true or false?
State whether the following statements are true or false.
First one, the silt that river brings with them is called alluvium. Is that true? Second one, Chot is a traditional festival of Haryana. False. Third one, Bodh Gaya is in Uttar Pradesh. False. Fourth one, Durga Puja is celebrated in Punjab. False. Fifth one, Bhangra is the folk dance of Assam.
Excellent.
False. Okay.